my God! Oh my God! Shit!
Yes!
Uy!
Aileen, bye!
Uy, pak! Ba? Lami. Oh! This will be on YouTube, so just watch it.
Aileen!
Marlene!
You make Facebook, then you add us.
I love you, Mama! Chop, chop!
Package!
Love you! Curtis! Give me, baby!
Hi to my sister!
Sama na yun. Ugaw-ugaway naman. Uy, why tayo naglimpyo sa classroom?
I'm not honesty, but I'm included!
Akong kalahi. Lin, mas may pa ka. Oh, gisamutan ko. Uy, di ko. Lami man. Aha ko eh. Ato tabang is classroom na. So let's enjoy your last moments classroom ta. Classroom. Lin, yung imong mga words.
Ato ta classroom na muna! Isuroy ka na mas kalit sa lami baggage. Pwede ba? Tumapa sa may motor. Sakay na magsugan. Sakay may sugan. Uy, nawam na yung mga balon. Dapat mag-smile.
Classroom. Ninya. Oh my God.
I'm covered on my sink!
No, she's crying because our family member is leaving. She's going to Australia. There.
So you're celebrating?
Yeah. No, it's a farewell party.
Unexpected.
If you compare her face and mine,
Not obvious.
It's very...
she's crying already. Let's go upstairs and spend her last moments there.
Who is that?
Lynn Carroll. Lynn Carroll.
Oh, why Carol?
I don't know. It's her family who named her that.
Foreigner?
Not really, no. She looks like a, Chinese, Korean.
It's like icing.
Of course, it's icing.
No, it's okay. That cannot kill me also.
Oh, very fast.
Let's go up the classroom. Bye, sir.
You're very bad, you all.
Why? Look at what they did to me.
Oh my God.
Let's go up the classroom, please. You look ridiculous. Guys, up the classroom, please.
Hala ka sila! Kami sabi kay muli namin.
Profile pic.
Kami ba kay muli namin? Di lang bidala ko ilis.
Okay.
Atag lang din sa mabay.
Let's end this with the last words of Lynn.
Atag kita. Green squirrel.
It's like
Squirrel. Quadero. mo balimta na.